And there's more trouble now for the Congress party over the National Herald case.
Income Tax Department has sent a notice to the party asking why it should get tax exemption. The Congress says it will reply to the notice appropriately, but it calls this a case of witch hunt. The IT Department notice comes just days after Sonia and Rahul Gandhi were sent a summons in the National Herald case. The complaint alleges that the party funds were used for commercial purposes to buy National Herald.
I would like to you to go back to 1977 also, when through Shah Commission all kinds of allegations were made against Mrs. Indira Gandhi, Mr. Sanjay Gandhi, and what was the result? It was total witch hunting, and we were expecting this. I can assure you we will fight in the court and we will prove that all these allegations are false.
Parikshit Luthra joining us in the newsroom with more. Parikshit, the Congress calling it a case of a witch hunt, but how much trouble are they in legally?
Well, it depends on the notice, when they receive them. As of now, the Congress is telling us that yes, they have received this notice. They will be replying to it in a befitting manner. There is a history to this, Palki. Last week, Subramanian Swamy had written to the IT department saying that they've misused the funds of the Congress party under Section 13A of the IT Act. They're allowed to receive donations but not divert these donations for commercial purposes or give loans for any kind of commercial enterprise or to any company like Associated Journals, which owns National Herald. So that's why the Subramanian Swamy said that tax exemption for the Congress should be withdrawn. They should be fined. A heavy penalty should be imposed on them, and they should also lose their recognition. He's claiming that this notice has been sent on his complaint, on his petition. The Congress, of course, saying that this is a witch hunt by the BJP now that it has come to power, and they will be replying very strongly in the court as well as far as this IT petition is concerned.
Right. We'll wait for details of that reply to come in then. Parikshit, thanks very much.